Today we're gonna make pasta dough. We will make spaghettini and agnolotti with the pasta dough. For ingredient, we're gonna use a pound of semolina flour and a pound of all-purpose flour. And for egg, we're gonna use 17 egg yolk and 4 whole egg. We're gonna separate our egg. We're gonna add all the dry ingredients. So a pound of semolina flour and a pound of all-purpose flour. And you're gonna start in a slow speed. And slowly you're gonna add the egg yolk one by one. And you're gonna add whole egg slowly as well. So after mixing it, you can take off all the doughs and knead it a little bit so you can have a nice ball shape. After kneading the dough, make sure wrap it with the saran wrap so the dough doesn't get dried up. After 20 minutes of resting, roll the dough to make it flatten up for the machine. Make the dough thin as possible. Now the dough is ready. We're gonna cut into spaghettini. Let's make cacio e pepe with spaghettini. Put a olive oil, spaghettini in, pasta water, pecorino, a little bit of parmesan, a little bit of lemon. Now we're gonna make the filling for agnolotti. So we're making 3 cheese agnolotti filling. We're gonna add ricotta, parmesan, and pecorino, and a little bit of sage, and salt. And pepper. mix it all together nicely. And now we're gonna pipe the agnolotti, filling and roll it. And now we're going to shape the agnolotti. Now we're going to add agnolotti into boiling water. Add a little bit of tomato sauce. Add agnolottis into tomato sauce. Add a little bit more sage on the top as a garnish. Parmesan.